Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to plot sell barriers in a certain stocks for shorting your position. This is by placing sell barriers, it is a resistance level. How to recognize which areas are resistance, um, which areas are major areas of resistance levels from which the stocks reverses. And I'm going to be showing this to you. It is the same as placing a buy barrier, a support level in your stock. So let's get started. As you can see, I've pulled up a chart here. As you can see here, it's still trending. Now I cannot place a resistance level here because it is still trending, moving in the upward direction. I guess I'll have to wait for this one. To show where it heads. But as you can see here, this area, wait a minute. As you can see here, this area is a major area of resistance level. As you can see here that it went to the top and traded below this area. When you see that this is a resistance level, whenever a trend trades below this, it means that it is a resistance level, just like here. As you can see here, now as it broke this resistance line, it came down and confirmed and then moved in the upward direction. Now this area is act as a support level. If you want to consider this one where it heads, then for this case it is right here. This is the resistance level for this area. As it confirms, this is also a resistance level, this one here. So whenever a stock for this reason you will have to wait for whenever the stock reach at its highest high, and you will have to place your resistance level, plot your resistance level according to that. You can also consider here, we also consider this as well, the overbought area from which you can short your position, but you're gonna have to wait for it to show signs when it changes, when the trend reverses. Now you can see these were the overbought area for the previous for these areas. You can see here these were the overbought areas. Now these acts as an they broke here and moved in the upward direction. Now the overbought area is something else here. As you can see here, if I draw another line here, now whenever the stock reaches at this level, you can short your position here if it comes down. You can short your position as it reached here and come down. This also works, but in case if this reaches here and the trend reverses, it's also a great position to short your position here and came down here. Now for the buy barrier, I've told you that you can place it here and here. Let me show it to you. Now this is a buy barrier and this is a sell barrier, support and resistance level. Now for the buy, you will also have to wait as when a stock is at its highest high. In case of a resistance level, you'll also have to wait because when a stock forms its highest high, then you can short your position from there and know how know where the stock is heading. Now in this case, let's suppose if the trend reverses at this level, and this is the highest high of of this stock, and let's say the stock reverses, came down here, came down here, and then moved in the upward direction. I short my position here came down up till this point and moved again in the upward direction. This can also happen sometime, but in this case, whenever a stock you short your position here and it reaches back up at this level, wait for it, because don't know if it's a confirmation in a side trend or moving in a downtrend, or the trend wants to move in a downward direction. So you're gonna have to wait for it when it touches this area. You're going to also have to wait for whenever it shows strong bullishness and bearishness. Now let's see in the side trend. In the side trend you can also do the same. These are the buy barriers, and now for the sell one, these are the sell. Whenever stock reaches here, this is another trick of trading in a side trend. Whenever the stock reaches this area and moved again in the upward direction, as you can see here, as it moved but it did not touch this area. Let me touch it. Let me touch it. Now as it reached here, you can see I've lowered this because it touched this line at the resistance level at 3 different points, one here, here and here. That's why I lowered it a bit. Now as you can see here, that whenever a stock reaches near to it, you can also do this as well. Whenever a stock reaches this level here, buy stocks and sell at this barrier here. As you can see that it's still fluctuating here, and it's a volatile market, but I would consider not to invest in a side trend. Well, that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.